silverback? Oh man! Whoa!
What's up, little guy? Oh shit!
Oh yeah, cheers. Yeah.
You know John went into Beale's yesterday to go and get some samples.
Oh! Shit! Come on, move! Move! Easy, easy. Hey! Hey! Are you sick? Hey! Hey!
Take a moment to Holy shit! Alan, get in the car! Get in the car! Get in the car!
Whoa! Holy cow! Shit! Nothing to believe! Yeah!
I'm about to grab the egg. Do you see that? I feel bad that I'm taking an egg. Ah! Shit! Oh shit! Ah! Whoa! 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 Chill, nigga! I ain't even take him! I left him there!